Hello, welcome to the Geotechnical Engineering Part 1 Soil Structure. Today we will be discussing about classification of structure, properties, formation of different structure. So this arrangement of soil particles and their aggregates into the certain definite pattern is said to be the soil structure. Primary soil we all know sand, silt and clay usually occurs grouped together into form of aggregates. Here you can see the natural aggregates called as pads through cloud is an artificial form soil mass. Here you can see the individual particle aggregate to form a pad and pad stacked around each other to form a soil structure. So this is the process to form a soil structure. Now according to the structure classifications, you can see four terms commonly used to describe the grade of soil structure. Structureless, no notable pad, exhibits by loose sand or chemical cement like condition of some clay soil. Weaker structure, indistinct formation of pad which are not durable. Moderate structure, well developed pads which are fairly distinct. Strong structure, very well formed pads are quite durable and extinct. Here you can see the formation soil particle pads into pads. Classification of structures based on size, very fine, medium, coarse and very coarse. Now properties of soil, porosity is one of them, very easily changed. In plate-like structure, pore spaces are less, whereas in crumbly structure, pore spaces are more. If you consider temperature, crumbly structure form good aeration and percolation in the soil as compared to the platy structure. If you consider density, bulk density varies with the total pore space present in the soil. Structure chiefly influence pore space. Platy structure with less total pore space have high bulk density, whereas crumbly structure with more total pore space has low density. So it is mainly depend upon the pores in the structure. Consistency of soil also depend on structure. Platy like structure exhibit strong plasticity. Color, bluish and greenish color of soil are generally due to the poor drainage of soil. Platy structure normally hinders free drainage. The formation of soil structure, mechanism of structure formation is quite complex. We all know that. We also know the primary particles such as sand, silt and clay are brought together by cementing or binding effort of soil colloidal clay, iron and aluminum hydroxide and organic matter. Mineral colloids by vital of three proportion of adhesion and cohesion. Sand and silt particle cannot form aggregate, as they do not propose the poor power of hydration and cohesion. So basically this formation of soil structure is strong in the clay and very fine particles. The amount of nature of colloidal clay influences the formation of aggregates. Greater the amount of clay in the soil, greater is the tendency to form aggregates. So clay particles less than 0.001 mm aggregates very readily. So also clay matrix that have high base exchange capacity form aggregate for readily than those with a low base exchange capacity. So basically iron and aluminum hydroxide act as a cementing agent and is binding the soil particle together. So basically in the clay these cementing agents are present which form the soil particles. Organic matter plays an important role in formation of soil aggregates. Due to the decomposition of organic matter, humus, humic acid and other sticky materials are produced which helps to form aggregates. So decomposition is also a main factor. Other one is fungus and bacteria taking part in the decomposition, which also gives the cementing effect. Structure formation is that soil particle absorbed by humus forming a clay humus complex. This humus absorbs both cation and ion. In normal soil, calcium is predominant cation and form calcium humate in combination with humus. So basically this cation and ion is present in the clay particles. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you.